हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू अवर डीएस इंग्लिश कोचिंग क्लासेस। तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं क्लास 10th की इंग्लिश का फर्स्ट लेसन, फर्स्ट फ्लाइट 1 लेटर टू गॉड, जिसमें कुछ ओरल क्वेश्चन कुछ इस प्रकार है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डिड लेंचो होप फॉर? आंसर है लेंचो होप्ड फॉर रेंस एज देन ओनली ही कुड get a better yield and thus feed his family. Second question जो है, why did Lencho say the raindrops were like new coins? Answer, Lencho's crops were ready for harvest as raindrops would have helped in getting a better harvest, resulting in more prosperity. So Lencho compared them with new coins. Next question, how did the rain change? What happened to Lencho's field? Answer, the rain was pouring down, but suddenly a strong wind began to blow, followed by a devastating hailstorms. All the crops in Lencho's field were destroyed. Fourth question, what were Lencho's feelings when the hail stopped? After the hail stopped, Lencho's heart was filled with sadness. He was completely stuttered. He could see a bleak future for him and his family. He was worried about lack of food for coming year. नेक्स्ट ओरल क्वेश्चन जो है और भी देखते हैं, इसमें ओरल क्वेश्चन जो आते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इसमें, हु और व्हाट डिड लेंचो हैव फेथ इन? व्हाट डिड ही डू? आंसर, लेंचो हैड फेथ इन गॉड. He firmly believed that God can see everything and even knows what his people have in their hearts. He strongly felt that God will definitely help him out of his situation. He wrote a letter to God. Saying that he needed some money to sow his fields again. Next question, who read the letter? Answer, the postmaster read the letter. Next question, what did the postmaster do them? The postmaster was deeply moved by Lencho's faith in God. He did not want to disillusion his faith. So he decided to collect the money and also asked his colleagues to contribute so that he can send it to Lencho. Next, page number 7, oral question. Was Lencho surprised to find a letter for him with money in it? Answer, no. Lencho was not all surprised to see the letter from God with money inside it. His confidence and faith in God was such that he had expected that God would definitely send money and help him out of this situation. Next question, what made him angry? What made him angry? Answer, when he finished counting money, he found only 70 pesos in it, but he had demanded 100 pesos. He was confident that Good could neither make a mistake nor deny him what he had requested. So he was pretty sure that the post office employees must have taken the remaining 30 pesos. नेक्स्ट, थिंकिंग अबाउट द टेक्स्ट। अगर हम इसकी बात करें तो ये क्वेश्चन आंसर भी थोड़े इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, परंतु इनको नेक्स्ट वाले वीडियो में देखेंगे और होप आप सभी को ये पसंद आएंगे और इसको आप सभी अपनी कॉपी में लिखेंगे और साथ में याद करेंगे। और अगर इसका हिंदी भी आपको जरूरत लगे तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर लिखें कि सर इसकी हिंदी भेजिए, तो जरूर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको इसकी हिंदी प्रोवाइड करवाई जाएगी। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग।